Welcome back, class. We are going to wrap chapter 13, moral development, by talking about religious and spiritual development. I know in this current day and age that religion has gotten there are a lot of people that are not religious. People identify more as spiritual. So it's important to understand how parents can really have an impact on your religious and your spiritual development. Usually, the way that the religious and spiritual development in childhood works is that parents or caregivers have certain religious and spiritual beliefs, and usually during childhood, children adopt these religious and spiritual beliefs. Parents or caregivers may take their children to church, or they may take them to mosque. To the mosque, they may take them and be involved in different religious and spiritual practices. Parents' religiousness is actually positively related to adolescents' own religiousness. And then, which as children get older, as they transition into adulthood, the parents' religiousness is linked to religiousness in from when adolescents turn to adults. But as we look at this religion and spiritual development, we have to see how the beliefs, religious beliefs, change as children get older. And so we're going to end this section by looking at the developmental changes in religiousness. So on the religiousness scale, that's on the y-axis, you can see it ranges from 0 to 18, and the higher the religiousness score, the higher you are rated as being religious. And also at the x-axis, we have age and years. As you can see, as the age increases, that the religiousness of the person from ages 14 to 25 decreases, but then it starts to level out between 20 and 25. But even as you can see, is there's not really a big difference between religiousness at 14 compared to religiousness at 25. However, it may decrease. It does decrease according to the scale. So people may begin to acknowledge that there is some kind of deity, but they may not engage in all of the spiritual practices that they did at 14 compared to now when they are 20 and 25. So it just shows the developmental changes in religiousness. And of course, religiousness and religion and spiritual beliefs play a role in moral development, because a lot of rules and regulations can stem from being a part of a religion or practicing practicing spiritualness. So that's important to know. That's all that I have for you all for this week. We have about 1 month left of this class and of the semester. I encourage you all to finish strong and have a good rest of your week. I'll see you all on the next video. Bye.